Okay, take a look at this sexy beast. All right, we got Bugatti, their link in bio page. We have their profile image. We have their title with a verified link. Here's a link to their homepage. We have their featured video. It's about their latest sport. And here's a link directly to their latest car. If you want to find a dealer, if you want to contact them. And then, of course, we have all of their social media profiles, right? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest, all in one link in bio. Now they can send 18.9 million people to one page and really communicate in a very fast, efficient way to everybody who loves them. So that's the LinkedIn bio. Stay tuned, and I will show you exactly how I built this starting right now. Okay, guys, we're going to build a link in bio for Bugatti. If you're familiar with the sports car, if you're not, Google it because it's a very expensive car. Anyways, Bugatti, they have a total influence of 18.9 million followers and subscribers. So let's take a look. So on 7/28/20, that's today's date, they have 12.7 million followers on Instagram. They have 4.8 page likes on their Facebook. They have 703,000 subscribers on YouTube, 606 followers on Twitter, and their Pinterest, well, we won't talk about that. But it gives them a total influence of 18.9 million people that they could be connecting with in a more direct fashion. So we're going to help them with a link in bio. So this is how we're going to do it. Here's their homepage, of course, and we will get started. So log into link in bio, and you can do this for your own brand, your own company, your own business, or you can actually build these websites or these little link in bios for your customers. So I've already created a project, and the project folder is here, which doesn't matter to you guys, and we are going to create a new page, and we'll just call it Bugatti since it's available. Now at this point we have the option to choose several different domain names that they could use. For this one, I'm going to create corporate bio, and we own that domain name, which is great, and so we will create that for them. So now we have a page for Bugatti at corporate.bio, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and set this up real quick. Let's choose a profile image, and we will do that real quick like. Boom, there's their logo. Let's set it up. We scaled it. We added it. Okay, so now we have their profile image. The title, we'll call them Bugatti. Boom. And what we could do, if you want to add a description, you could. We will display a verified check mark. Boom, added. Now, obviously, the color scheme doesn't work. If you look at their page, you know, they're kind of a red, white, and black. I mean, there's nothing. So that's kind of their color scheme. So I think for this scenario, let's just go with black. And what we'll do is by background type, let's choose background color. Make sure it's black, you know, #0000, boom, black, super classy, looks very crisp. Now, when you first start your link in bio, we give you a default link, and you're going to want to edit that. So if we go to links at the top, and we go to here, what we'll do is we'll call this the Bugatti homepage, because naturally users will want to go to, well, the homepage. So let's do that. Let's change this URL. Boom. Okay, there. Now we have Bugatti homepage. Let's collapse that. Go back to settings. Now the main point of a link in bio is really to create a crossroads. At the crossroads, we're going to have all of the social media properties and web properties. So this is a central point for us to communicate with all of the followers across everything. So if you scroll down to the bottom, there is socials, okay? And what we want to do is we want to look through here, and here's Facebook. So let's grab the Facebook URL, and let's plug that in. Okay, boom, we got Facebook. What's their Instagram? Bugatti, Buggatti. Let's look at their Twitter. Double check their Twitter, and it's just Bugatti alone. So let's put that in there, Buggatti. Boom. All right, YouTube channel. And let's just grab this. Okay, I grabbed the F. Here's their YouTube. Okay, now we got their YouTube. Now, as you can see in the editor or the preview, their links are starting to pop up below. And they do have a LinkedIn. We can add that as well, depending on what they want to do, but let's connect everybody. Pinterest. Boom. Okay, so now you can see it starting to come together, which is great. Let's copy this link. So we gave them their corporate bio, all right? And let's take a look. Bam. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Starting to come together. Now, what we want to do is let's add their YouTube video, okay? So let me close this. So this is their feature video, so we can assume that that's important to them right now. It was posted 4 months ago. They have 236,000 views. Let's share it, copy their URL, and I'm going to show you a cool little trick. What we're going to do is we're going to create a YouTube link by posting their video URL. Let's add video. Now look, in the preview, so we have their link to the homepage, and now we have an embedded YouTube video, which is great. So instead of just linking to a YouTube video from, say, your Instagram or your Twitter in the bio, you link to an embedded video. The reason you want to do that, because if you send users directly to a YouTube video, you're going to lose them. There's going to be advertising, there's going to be recommended videos, there's going to be other playlists that are going to be presented to that user. So a better way to do this is set up your link in bio, embed the video at the top. Now the user can watch your video directly from your bio page, right? So it's a cool little trick to do. And that's the beginning stages of their page. And I won't bore you, but there's so many more options that they could be doing or taking advantage of here. And of course, we can add more and more links, right? So create a link, and I'll just show you what that would look like. Let's just put in that for reference. So look, now we can start adding more links to other places. So maybe we want to add links to customer service. Maybe you want to add a link to your Shop Now page. Maybe you want to add a link to your Contact Us page. So wherever you want to send your users to, that's what you're going to add to your page. And the beauty of this is if they were to use this link in bio on all of their pages, it will update on every social property. And then you'll have 18.9 million people getting the same message from the same link. And whenever you go to update these links, you're not going to have to go log into Facebook, log into Twitter, log into Instagram, log into YouTube, log into Pinterest, log into LinkedIn, and update links. You have one central location. So that's the beauty of LinkedIn Bio. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I'm going to show you the final results at the beginning of this video because I'm recording it backwards. So thanks for watching.